Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a Primetime News follow-up. A high-level probe has been ordered by the Police Commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, into the arrest of a St. Ann man. The man, who identified himself as Shaquille Higgins, was apparently upset about how the revised curfew times would affect his plans. He then recorded his frustration in an expletive-riddled rant directed at the Prime Minister. Videos then emerged of the St. Ann police ordering Mr. Higgins to get dressed before taking him into custody and demanding he apologize to the Prime Minister. But in a communique to the force today, the police commissioner reminded members that apologies are not to be coerced from members of the public, and if persons wish to apologize for matters, they must do so themselves without the police participation. The commissioner also warned members of the JCF not to share internal reports, images or correspondence captured on duty without authorization. The police added that the man was on Wednesday questioned and released. The police say the man was the subject of an investigation into a case of larceny dwelling and that his recordings about his whereabouts helped them to locate him. TVJ News has since learned that Mr. Higgins has obtained the services of an attorney and is contemplating suing the state for invasion of privacy and for the malicious manner in which he was taken into custody. Now, 24-year-old Higgins and his family say they felt embarrassed by the ordeal.